If you really know the address, the wallet address, have no any mistake, then you can proceed and click confirm like this. After you confirm, they say wallet registration successfully. When you open your Athene app like this, then like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, then you click on wallet. After you click on wallet like this, look at, I have Athene, I have gem, and also have a lion. Then you're now going to click on airdrop. Then you wait for it to open. Look at it now. They say the time has come. Choose the wallet you want to use to claim your lion. You can use MetaMask, you can use any address, but it must be Ethereum address. Look at the amount that I have here. They say amount you can claim all if you like. Then here, wallet address, you put the address that you copy from your MetaMask or any address. Then you can put it there. Then the OTP, they say please double check the wallet address and network. You will not be able to cross check your wallet address. If you make a mistake, you can never change it again. So it's better you cross check your wallet address that you copy before you send the information. And do not forget to like and subscribe. Now let's go and copy Ethereum address from MetaMask. Alright, this is our MetaMask here, and it is already on Ethereum mainnet. So look at it now. Look at the wallet address here, and here look at it now. So what you do now is to click this address. Look at the address here under this account 1. Then you click on it. There's a public address copied to clipboard. Then you now come up from here. Then you now go to your Athene network like this. Alright, now you come to your Athene. Then you paste the copied address, the address that you copied. This is the amount. You now put the amount of the lion that you wanted to claim. You can claim the whole lion that you have here, or you can claim some and leave the remaining, or you dash them the remaining. But for me, I'm going to claim everything. The only thing I can remain now is 004. That is the only thing I will leave for them. I've been like trying to copy like 0.29, but okay, now you now come here, paste your copied address, that Ethereum address you copy from MetaMask. You now come paste it here. Then here they now say OTP. They are going to send OTP to your email, the email you use create account in this Athene. That is where they are going to send the OTP to. Please don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe to this channel. So here is my email. It's my email inbox, and below is the OTP they sent to me. So I'm gonna copy this OTP from here. So I'll now come press it, then I'll now copy it from here. And after copying it, you now come move to Athene app. So after you come here, you now come paste it here. Look at it here now. So after you now paste it like this, okay, then you now come send information. They say, do you confirm that you want to receive the lion airdrop reward, so amount? Then on the network, Ethereum mainnet, claim delegation wallet address is this. This is your wallet address you copy from MetaMask and place it here. Then you now come click on confirm. If you really know the address, the wallet address, have no any mistake, then you can proceed and click confirm like this. After you confirm, they say wallet registration successfully. Then here now, this is the amount that remain in my Athene lion balance. Then the one claiming is here. Then that is just as simple as ABC that you can be able to follow and claim your Athene lion airdrop. So please like and subscribe to this channel. Share it to your friends that didn't know how to claim their own lion airdrop on Athene Network. Share it, like this video, comment with something that you didn't understand in this video. And I have so many videos, so many valuable videos in this channel that you can watch and learn from it.